Let's talk about an improvement we've made to templates in TalentBin. Now we've added 9 new template variables that will pull from a candidate's profile page, either professional, personal interests, or web profiles. We'll pull in that information automatically based on those variables and throw them into your outreach template. One of the main things that we focus on as a customer success team here at TalentBin is personalization of our outreach emails. A lot of recruiters struggle to find the time to put in a candidate's professional interests. This will do that automatically. Let's take a look at how to set this up. I'll go ahead and click my name, account preferences, then manage templates and campaigns. I'll scroll down to one of the outreach emails that I want to use. In this case, I set up a Java developer example, and then I'll start plugging in the variables. Now you should have already had an outreach email, maybe set up with some of our example fill in the blank personalized sections. Those things in square brackets that we have in maybe our example templates, or one you've created on a call with a customer success representative in the past. Well, now instead of using those square bracket sections, why not just use these variables to do the work for you? I'll keep throwing in our web profile variables here. We can also throw in some of those professional interests. Instead of having to pull in the content from a candidate's profile manually, these variables will automatically be replaced using that information. Once I have my template set up and ready to go, I'll hit Save Template and we can try it out. I'll scroll up to my Manage tab. I'll find one of my promising candidates that I want to reach out to for this Java role. Now the thing to notice here is going to be the top 3 professional interests on this profile page: Hibernate, Java, and JavaScript. We can also see that we're pulling back information from Stack Overflow, as well as a number of other sites, LinkedIn, GitHub. I can also check out some of those other interests as well. We didn't use any of these variables in our example template, but if you wanted to throw in maybe one of those personalized, those personal other interests variables, that's where the information is going to get pulled from. Now I'll go ahead and select my template, and you'll see magically, automatically, the variables are replaced by the information in the profile page. We see Hibernate is going to be that main interest based on his rating. We see his Stack Overflow profile there, and it looks like Stack Overflow on LinkedIn, it's pulling back for this candidate here. Now this is something you can always change around. If you want to remove LinkedIn, for instance, and add GitHub, you could absolutely do that once the template is built here. Another thing to notice is, since we're looking for a Java role here, Java might not always be at the top of the rating scale, but that's something you can change around as well. You could throw in Java developers, maybe in the rec, or you could change something like JavaScript to Java, so that you can always manually change the email even after the variables are pulled. And that's our new profile template variables in TalentBin.